How to use TCG Player Scanner. So scan cards fast. So here is for card collectors. Say goodbye to tediously typing and searching for the correct card versions. The TCG Player app scans your cards with unparalleled speed and accuracy, giving you more time to enjoy the games you love. Track prices with ease. From the top TCGs to the hottest new games, the TCG Player app lets you effortlessly scan, organize, and track the market price for every card for every TCG on our marketplace for free. Access your collection anytime, seamless shopping, and yeah, quite a popular app in cards category. If you see, or that's their own kind of cards here in the app store. But basically, yeah, if you have or if you want to have a collection of Pokemon cards and all stuff like that, that's quite cool app to have. So here you have it, and you can see in here, then you can just tap to scan. So here tap continue, and then just scan with your camera. Then you can add your collection, create your account, read some content. So yeah,